Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I have really been loving the nude lip trend lately, and I had no idea that there was so many different shades of nude. And one that has become a fast favorite of mine is this MAC matte lip color in the shade Yash. I find it to be a perfect medium nude shade. It's not too dark and it's not too light. In my opinion, it is pretty close to perfect, and it is right in the sweet spot in the nude shade spectrum. I love pairing it with just a slightly darker lip liner to give me that little bit of extra definition. I totally adore the matte finish of this lipstick. I think that this finish really complements the nude tone. I love to pair this lipstick with a bolder eye look with maybe a winged eyeliner. If you are trying out all kinds of nude, neutral shades likely like I am, then I definitely recommend adding this MAC Yash to your list. And that's my point of view.